dito.
I love you!
Pare, I love you!
Hello guys! Welcome to Adelaide. It's not Adelaide now. Holiday Park. Tama ba? Say hi! Did you wave your hand? No, but that's it. Did you try that bump car? You did? That's nice. Oh, vlogger!
Say, we're at the fun fair. We're at the fun fair. And what do you see here?
We're gonna ride that thing. Okay ka lang, boy?
Hello, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Uy, mura magtaas tayo.
Tapos kayo! Game ka na ba?
Stitches lang yan. Hindi to.
Nagtanaw pa lang ko diri sa ubos na itong nako. Sama na. Lalaban sila. You wanna go? Hi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of us.
The red ones, you can take it with you if you want.
Okay. Oh my god, this is it.
Ayun, nakakuraysa!
Dito. Anyway, tanaw ta ko gawin.
Cool na, hindi naman tayo direct wala.
Hindi mo na tanaw ta. Laban lang.
Okay ka ba? Dito tayo tisimula ah.
Ayan na. Oh my god.
Business din yun.
Tukul boy.
Yeah.
We're on top of the world! Nagisingon akong tiil!
Yeah.
Oh my God! Wala!
Ano daw mo ito, diba?
I didn't expect it! Oh my God! Nalipong ako! Nagkilak-kilak na ka! Ayan! Oh my God! Tama na! Wala! Dili na ko! Ayoko na! Ayoko na!
Hindi ko alam kung malamig pa ako. Malamig lang talaga dito.
I love you!
Pare, I love you!
Nagsiya ako ka lang!
Saka paano kung ganun? Kaya, sorry na lang yan. Huwag lang daw siya.
Okay, get my bag.
Ay, yung bag pala.
Oh, shit. Hindi ko kalakaw, nalipong ko.
Kaya, Ray.
Jerome, you're okay with that ride? Horror. Tara! What's running in your mind? Mommy! Patikim pa lang yun.
I see you.
Ikaw na lang yata palagi.
Ayoko na.
Malapit na ako tayo matapos.
Mga tao pala. Meron na naman, ha?
What is that?
Ako rin, ha? Ay!
Woo! Panalo! Ah, my jaw hurts. It was okay. Thank you. Kumusta? Kahit na ulo ko. Ha? Hello, cute! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Check this out! Hi! Aww! Mingunong ko sa langgam. Can we get two? Two? Yep. Thank you. There you go. Panalo!
Yay! Excited. And we go. And push, darling. Push.
Haha! Nakasulod yun, me. Hi, Peppa Pig. Thank you.
Oh, look at that.
Thank you.
What?
Delay pick up on.
Where's the down?
Hello. Hello. Oh my gosh.
Wait, stop.
Joke lang.
Be picture to the bunny.
Oh, look at this little bunny. Be careful, careful. Be gentle, be gentle. Like this. Hello. Hi.
You're not here to brush tita.
Ako na mag-brush noonan eh.
Pardon, why are you brushing tita? You brush the goat.
Perfume na daw, sabi ni Digong. Uy, uwi na kayo.
Come on.
Okay, you can go with the paper
Were you scared? You wanna hold this? You wanna film the animals? You wanna film the animals?
Yeah.
Film the animals?
See the animal. Feel the animal. Just sit.
Did you have fun? They're going. They want to go.
Say bye now to the animals. Bye animals. See you next time. Next time.
Hello, ulit namin. We're going home. Finish namin. So, nag-park me dito. It's very far because when we got here, we don't know where's the parking area. So nandami sa parking area.
Hi guys. Now we're going home. We're going home. Mag-vlog ka dyan.
So now,
Yay! Bye-bye. Good night, guys. Ay, good night. Nawala si auntie.